Hello everyone, good morning. Have a happy Sunday. Hope you all are doing great. Today's topic is about describing places. Sometimes you need to describe a place like a city or a town. When you describe a place, you must talk about its location, its people, the lifestyle of its people, places for sightseeing, places for shopping, places for entertainment, and your opinion about the place. So, let's practice the conversation. So, the first conversation about a visit to London, and it is done between Robert and John. Where did you go for a holiday this year? I had been to London. London, what is it like? I must say that it's a very interesting city. What are the places to see? There are many historical buildings, museums, parks, shops, theaters, and cinemas. There are many sights too, like the Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, the Tower of Pise, the British Museum, and many more. How long did you stay there? I stayed there for 4 weeks. How is the weather there? The weather is cool and pleasant. And the people? Oh, they are very nice. Lucky you. I wish I could go there. The next conversation about a visit to Jaipur, and it is done between Bhumi and Varsha. How was your holiday? Simply wonderful. Jaipur is a great place for a holiday. What is this city like? It is a beautiful city. It is popularly called the Pink City. You know, all the forts and places there are in pink color. What are the sights there? The City Palace, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Joygarh Fort, the Birla Temple, the Birla Planetarium, Kanak Vrindavan, and many more. What else is there? It is famous for jewelry, clothes, shoes, pottery, and other handicrafts, and you must not miss Rajasthani food. What is the best time to visit this place? Between September and March. I think I will plan my holiday to Jaipur during my Christmas vacation. Yes, that would be perfect. The next about describing a house. Sometimes you need to describe your house to someone. When you want to describe a house, you must talk about where it is located, whether it is a flat or a house, the rooms in the house, the inside of the house, the garden, and other features, and your feelings about the house. So, let's practice the conversation. It's about an independent house. And this one done between Sana and Fana. Where do you live? We live in Hyderabad. Is your house big? Yes, we have a big house. It's a 2-story house with all the facilities. How many rooms does your house have? On the ground floor, there is a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room. And on the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms, a study room, and 2 bathrooms. What is the color of the paint? It is painted white on the outside and blue in the inside. Do you have a garden? Yes, we have a garden and a garage too. Do you like the house? Yes, of course. It is very comfortable. The next, a house by the sea. This conversation is between Kamala and Bimala. Where is your house? It is very near the beach in a beautiful, quiet area. We get a lovely view of the sea. Is it big or small? It's a small flat but very convenient. On which floor is it? It's on the fourth floor. Do you have a lift? Yes, of course. How many rooms do you have? We have two bedrooms, a kitchen cum dining room, and a bathroom. Do you have buses from your area? Plenty of buses. Even the railway station is not very far. Are the shopping centers and markets close by? Yes, they are close by. Okay, children. So please practice all of the conversation and use it in your daily life. Keep learning. Thank you.